Hello, today I'm going to show you how I solved one interesting geometrical task I found yesterday and solved yesterday in near about 3 up to 7 minutes. Uh, what is the task? It is if we can change R and now this side is 1, so this angle is right, 90 degrees. Uh, what is how can we maximize area of this green square if you can change R? What is those special R? That the green square R is maximized. Well, let's try to solve it. So first, let's know this. Let's notice that in, for example, R equals to something constant, we can draw only one green square here. What is angle between uh, this line and this line? Let's try to solve it. First of all, this is, for example, A. This is side R. This is the same radius I. It means it is R cosinus A. This is R sinus A. Simply trigonometric. This is a linear function. It means 1 over R times R cosinus A is this brown line, right? Now this green line is what is it? It is R minus R cosinus A, right? Now we know this stuff is simply cosinus A minus this red stuff. It is R sinus A. This is the same. Wait a second. Our square has these two sides which are equal to each other, but one side we can rewrite as cosinus alpha minus R sinus alpha, and the another is R times 1 minus cosinus A. Sorry, I can change. I can mix alpha and A. Much sorry for this. My mistake. Well, if they're equal, we can try to find A. Let's do this. Now we can know that our divide here is cosinus square and cosinus, but here is sinus. It means we can use main trigonometrical equation, or how it's called, I don't know, which is sinus square plus cosinus square is 1. It means it will be r squared minus r squared cosinus squared a. What can we notice now? If cosinus a is 0, for example, just if it is, we solve this. But there is another solution. We will see it sometime later. If cosinus a is 0, it means cosinus of what is 0? Cosinus p over 2, which is 90 degrees. It means our green square is 0 area. It will be not maximize extreme of our function. It will be minimize extreme of our function. It won't work. Okay, now we know almost everything to try to find this maximum area. Uh, Maximum area means the maximum of each side. For each side, we can calculate simpler than another. I feel this side. Just we know cosinus A, yes? Yes, I'm correct. Everything here cancels itself except this one, it will be R. But we can try to calculate its derivative and it will be like second power formula. it won't be the set power formula. Yes, also we have Cardano's method to solve three power formula, but also let's try to do something simpler if we can, right? Well, here we can simply calculate its derivative and say it's zero. But you will something another. We still remember if it is zero, then this stuff will work. Yes? I just cancel denominator in everywhere and will do some stuff. Denominator here is not equal to zero because it is something positive. Positive plus positive plus positive is never equal to zero, right? Well, our r is 1 over square root of 2. If you want, you can calculate value of the area of this square, but I wouldn't like. Just simply uh, r the same is its value is max is square root from 1 over 2, and we solve it.